When vegans get hungry, we get creative. This is flat out the original flatbread. This is Skippy peanut butter, creamy, and this is blueberries from the Blueberry and Berry Fresh. What we're going to do, I've lined this top here with peanut butter, a very light coat. I'm going to take, I gotta take some of the berries. So this is another way, so you just roll it in there and then you have yourself a midnight snack. And it's easy enough to do. You don't have to keep it. You can have a portion of it like this over here, and you just put a little peanut butter on it. And I'm using the plate as the table for it. And then you just pour on a few blueberries. And then you just roll it up. Now you could warm this up in the oven, but I'm going to eat it. So that's the end of the snack. Thanks a lot for watching.